Hey Photoshop users, Mike Wardinski here, and today I've got a quick tip video to show you how to bypass the Save As dialog in the newest versions of Photoshop Classic. In May of 2021, Adobe added a Save As Copy button in the Save dialog, and it adds an extra step if you want to save as a Jpeg. So in order to bypass this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Photoshop Preferences and we're going to navigate down to File Handling and click on that. And in the dialog box, we're going to enable Legacy Save As. And this is going to allow us to cut out an extra step when we want to save as a Jpeg. And in addition, while we have this Preferences pane open, I'm also going to make sure I have automatically save recovery information every 5 minutes. And by default, this is set to 10. I'm going to change it to 5. That way, if my computer crashes for some reason, I can more readily get back to where I was working in the first place. When we're all done, I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and that's it. Now we have restored Photoshop to the legacy Save As settings. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mike Wardinski, and don't forget to check out naturemike.com for more how-to articles, in-field workshops, and private post-processing lessons. See you in the next video.